Zombie Shack.
Hi, boys and girls. Today we're going to open Zombie Wrex.
It's called,
Yeah, it's Hot Wheels. Hold on, come on. Zombie Wrex.
Yeah.
All right, let me see it. Hold on, and let's see what's in the collection. Oh, look. We have Scorpedo. We have Piranha. We have Chewbacca. And that's it. We're missing... Oh, and now we got Zombie Wrex. We're missing Bigfoot, Iron Man. We have Twin Milk. No, we don't. And 5 Alarm.
Yeah.
All right, so let me help you because your arm is in a sling.
Yeah.
Mommy's gonna help you. All right, you pull that way, I push this way. You push and pull. Pull, I push. Or you pull and I push, and there he goes. Ooh, and he has one of those crushable cars that you have to build it. All right, let's see him. So this is Zombie Wrex.
Yeah, got that on.
Whoa, hold on. He's pretty cool. Look at that.
And you got the crushable car.
And he has a crushable car. And there is this here for some reason. I don't know what's holding, but we'll remove it later.
What's it holding?
There's an elastic thing right here.
I think it's because of his tail.
Wow, look at those sharp
I think
teeth.
it was because of his tail.
All right. Stay tuned for more
Monster.
additions to the collection. Yes. Thanks for watching.
Bye.